It was a difficult journey, but once I set my foot in it, I had to make sure that I go through the entire process because this is something where my passion lies. Hi, I'm Sheetal. I'm basically from Cook, but been in Bangalore for a while. I did my course at Whitecaps. I'm from the 8th anniversary batch, Excellence Diploma Program 2024. I found out about Whitecaps because I used to live in Koramangala. I had it in my mind that whenever I decide to do a course, I'll do it from Whitecaps. When I visited for the first time for inquiry, I was very comfortable the way things were explained to me, and I thought that's the best option. Experience was really great. Not as rosy as I thought a baking school would be, because I actually thought it's just coming. You learn some baking, you get the recipes, you learn some techniques, and you go back. But it hit hard when homeworks were given, and the homeworks are checked by the chefs the next day. So it was a good experience. Enhanced a lot of skills, knowledge, and we got in-depth knowledge. It was fun, it was hectic, but overall it was great. So my baking journey basically started with my mom. My mom used to just bake for home purpose cakes, but she always insisted that, growing up, it was always there that the daughters need to learn cooking. So I didn't take on much to cooking, but then I did take on to baking. So journey of baking started then. But I always had a passion. I used to always wonder how the cakes look so beautiful. So I loved cake decorating. So I started practicing with a lot of YouTube videos. The name of my cafe is The Estate Table. The name goes as a tribute to my dad, who's no more, but also it is a very fond memory of my childhood, The Estate Table, because where I am today all started from home. Me basically coming from Cook, all my baking journey and my entire journey started from the hills, the estates there, and from my own home. So that's why the cafe is named as the Estate Table, and we are located in Hebbal, Kempapura. We look at building a community, and we have a fusion food which is slightly merged with the Cook cuisine, and a credit to my baking skills as well. So that's a USP. A warm cup of coffee, building a community, and artisanal bakes.
Okay.
Whitecaps gave that exposure, to decide on a lot of equipments that I wanted to do, how a setup has to work. Though we did not get the details during our course, but I think a lot of observation that we do during the class and a lot of conversation with the chefs, of course, with their experience and all that, helped me set up. So instead of asking somebody else to set up, I did it on my own. And definitely Whitecaps has given me one of my bestest friend here who helped me set up the whole cafe. So the journey has been like a very memorable one. Handling home, children and things. So when I was doing my course at Whitecaps, I had a 5-year-old and a 7-year-old at home waiting for me each day. But I did have a lot of support from my family, both my husband, my in-laws, as well as my parents. Overall, the entire tribute to my friends who were ready to pick my children, drop them, send food. I think this dream of mine came true because with a lot of support from family and friends. That way, I would say I'm truly blessed. It was a difficult journey, but once I set my foot in it, I had to make sure that I go through the entire process because this is something where my passion lies. So I wanted to make this happen. I wanted to learn. I wanted to enhance the skills. It was difficult. I definitely wouldn't say it will be a easy journey. It was a very difficult one. There are times I had to make choice whether I attend the classes or I stay back with my child because I need to I needed to be there. But it was a learning. There was something, end of the day, I was happy to be. No matter what the struggle was, it was a happy journey and I've learned something. And I think that all shows in where I am today. So it's been a happy year, happy and tough journey. Give your best, uh, believe in yourself, and do what best you can.